Hello everyone, today we're diving into the versatile Gourmia toaster oven air fryer combo. A 1700W marvel that brings 17 cooking presets right to your kitchen, allowing you to toast, bake, dehydrate, and air fry with ease. This compact yet powerful appliance features sleek single-pull auto French doors, offering both style and convenience while fitting a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 slices of bread. With its easy one-touch control panel, you can customize your cooking settings, time, and temperature, ensuring 360-degree airflow for perfectly even cooking every time. The set comes complete with a fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray, transforming your kitchen into a gourmet hotspot with the help of some included recipes. Ideal for micro-living spaces like lofts, apartments, and college dorms, this space-saving appliance doesn't compromise on flavor, making it perfect for vacation spots, cabins, RVs, or tiny homes. Imagine whipping up premium dishes wherever life takes you, all thanks to the Gourmia toaster oven air fryer combo. So, whether you're a culinary novice or a seasoned chef, this versatile kitchen companion is designed to elevate your cooking game to new heights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.